So I've now arrived at HQ. I was just doing my mascara because I forgot to do it before I left the house. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when I land at the hotel. Long flight ahead, 17 hours, so God help me, I need grace. So if it's your first time on this channel, I mean, obviously by now you know that I'm a flight attendant, and usually when we do a long flight like this, so anything that is an ultra long range flight, we have breaks. So we go into the bunks and sleep. And most of the time, I don't sleep in the bunk. Like, I will go to the bunk, I will be sleepy, I feel sleepy, but okay, sometimes I don't feel sleepy. Like, I know I'm tired and I'm expecting and hoping to sleep, but it doesn't actually happen. So I get to the bunk and I'm just tossing and turning and I want to pee and I'm thinking about stuff. Oh, like today in the bunk, I was just thinking about what direction I want for my channel, how I want it to grow, what I want to do, you know, how I want to, you know, just grow in this space, and amongst other things, you know, obviously like career stuff and not YouTube, but it was just my brain was busy, you know, and I was so tired, but at the same time I could not help myself, you know, I couldn't sleep. I was overwhelmed by all these thoughts. So yeah, that's why I'm so tired. I'm so tired. You know, it's funny, I just remembered something. Why do people get so nervous when they stand in front of the bathroom door, like the toilet door, when they get on the plane? I feel like people get so nervous. They get to the door and they just get stressed, like, okay, so how do I open? And most of the times I just want to tell you guys that it actually tells you where to push, where to touch. You should do this. You like, don't panic. Like, I see people get so stressed because of opening the toilet door, and I'm sorry, but sometimes it's funny, but I understand. I know it can be a little intimidating when you stand in front of like something that you don't know, especially if you're not like a frequent flyer and you've never really used a toilet in the plane. You don't know what to do, you don't know where am I going to flush, and all these thoughts are running through your mind that when you get to the door you just panic. So I get it, but I encourage you, take a moment, read, open your eyes, look, read. Most of the time it will say push or press. I don't think it says press anywhere. Maybe, I don't know. Different cultures, maybe some different airlines it says press. Most of the time it will have two languages, either, you know, I think French, Spanish, Arabic, to translate, you know, the word push or press or whatever, open. And then inside it will have like different types of languages just to tell you maybe how to tell you not to smoke, and how, you know, breaking the law, smoke detector, federal law, all those things. And then there will be a flush, which again says push, like it's nothing super spectacular. It just says push. It doesn't say flush because some people don't know what flush is, but just push. I just wanted to say this because I see people getting so stressed and it's kind of funny to watch, but at the same time I sympathize. I really do, because a lot of people a lot of times don't know. Anyway, let me stop rambling. Someone told me that I ramble a lot, so I'm going to try and change that in 2020. Oh, by the way, Happy New Year. Oh my goodness, I forgot this is my first video. Is it my first video? Hopefully it may go up as the first video of this year, so Happy New Year. If not, then great to see you again in 2020. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna sleep, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow when I wake up, and let's see what we're going to have energy to do tomorrow. Okay, good night. I really like this. It would be really nice on my set. Look at these. I love these. If I could just get these and put them for my set. And this is $12.49, and this is $20. Such cute knickknacks. Here they are. So my friend wants to buy this for her baby girl. Tell me.
Okay.
So what is this exactly?
So this is a doll inside, and it has surprises inside. So you get the doll itself, you get a tiara, you get the shoes or the boots, depending on what you get, the clothes, a feeding bottle, and a little description of the doll itself.
Right.
Yeah.
And then, so you open it.
So you open it, and this one is the new version because it's glam glitter, so it has glitters. Some of them, when you put them in water, they change color.
Eh.
Yeah.
Alafu hiyo sasa ndio the exciting part.
Yes.
That's it.
That's it when they open, and it's this small.
Oh my goodness. By the she get a whole thing. Like she get the fascination, but I guess kids understand what.
Yeah.
I guess I don't know. Okay.
Okay, they love it.
What? That looks like poop. And it's called poopsie?
Yes. Poopsies and their slime.
So what's the point of them?
They just enjoy them. They make them a slime. So yeah.
Hey, watoto wa squeezy. The kind of toys that you guys play with.
Imagine.
I cannot. I just can't. Slime makeup.
Yeah.
When did this become a trend? Okay, fine. I'm too old for this to understand. Oh well. You can. So, we were just talking about the toys. And basically, this is a toy in the shape of poop. I don't know if you guys can see. I know it's quite dark, but this generation of today, like parents, I think we all need to be very careful with the kind of toys that we buy our children, because see, understand e-concept. Like, why is this a thing? Why? And I know that a lot of people just buy toys because they're toys, but are we sensitive enough to know that some of these things could be opening up our children to very weird things and behaviors, in my opinion? Imagine, Winnie. Cindy, I mean, I don't think it's always just a toy. And sometimes you need to be a little sensitive spiritually to what we expose our children to. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that so you can see what it is that is being sold in the stores nowadays. Look at these. These are so cute. This is so nice if you want to just kind of go with a decor in your house. Some, I don't know, if you have a theme that goes with this would look nice, and they have a bigger size as well. And you could even use it as a laundry basket, but I don't think it's that big. Oh, it is. It is. When you walk into Target, sometimes you just want to buy everything. Look at this seat. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. Look at this one.
Nice.
And I wasn't even like interested in shopping for wreaths, but that is so cute. So cute. Magnolia. Really, maybe I should take this for the sake of it. And then do what with it? Hang it somewhere. Where? A great husband is handsome and hot with a beautiful mind. Wonderful, strong, devoted, and kind. And excellent hugs. Oh, gives sweet kisses and excellent hugs. Able to squash scrappy spiders and bugs. Yes, babe, that's what I need you for. Especially that. The kind of guy who makes a kid laugh, who orders dessert so you can eat half. Yeah. An awesomest, best, most amazing by far, and that's just the kind of great husband you are. Aww, that's cute.
Very.
Maybe I should buy this. That looks a little too stiff. Stiff. I don't see anything I necessarily like. Oh, I love these hats. I love these hats, but I don't have a holiday coming up. I mean, not that I would only buy it if I had a holiday coming up, but I just don't think I need it. I really love this color. Like my bags are always around that shade. Maybe I should start buying this shade. I don't see anything that I like today, so I guess I'll pass. So, Morphe glosses. This is, I think I have, which one do I have? Now that I'm here, I don't remember which one, but let me put you guys here so we can try. Focus. Okay, there we are. Well, that's kind of a red, and I'm looking for a nude. This is sauce. No, gypsy. So I think I'll just take this shade backstage.
Is your head spinning?